Say hi to vlog. Why not? Hi, Berna. Yeah, we're wearing our first merch.
Wait, you're filming? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a vlog.
I didn't realize that. I didn't realize it was filming.
Bro, it's not fair.
He has his own tripod.
I am the tripod. I am the tripod.
You're the W vlog person.
You're getting every angle in the world.
Gianna, you have any 2024 predictions?
I think for the game, I think it's gonna do it with water.
Water?
Yeah. Because everyone else is saying that, so I'm like, maybe.
Awesome.
Do you have any predictions?
My first prediction, also water game. And my second prediction, I think it's just gonna be ball game elements again. Alright, awesome. Hey Locke! What's up? Predictions for 2024?
No water.
No water? Why no water game?
Bro.
What's your actual prediction then?
DDR. Dance Dance Revolution.
Dance Dance Revolution?
And a nightclub. With the volume dial.
Alright. That's cool, I guess. 7. Predictions for 2024?
Human player has to learn an entire instrument. Wait, am I being recorded?
It's vlog.
Oh, yeah. A human player has to learn an entire instrument in endgame. They have to play the entire scale of the viola in 5 minutes.
Yeah, pretty intense, don't you think? Alright.
Of course it's gonna be great.
You ready, guys? Whoa.
Guys, you have to call out every time you know someone in the video.
We're at one of the 145 global kickoffs taking place around the world. And you're in good company, as we have approximately 3,500 teams competing in this year's exciting challenge. Now this season, we're turning the volume up to 11, getting all amped up as we celebrate STEAM, science, technology, engineering.
You're human player. No, he has to hide. You're human player. I am probably the person the tallest. Whoever's the tallest. I wish I could try coach. Are you Crescendo because you're the most music, or are you the most music because you're Crescendo?
Think about defense. I don't think they're like the main focus on defense is to kind of like fire on your own side. You're not really traversing across the field. So unless you
it's on the opposite sides. You have to get the ring. It's like last year. You're on the opposite sides. You get
I was literally just defense. You want to make them have a straight up, but they can't shoot really well. They have a inconsistent. And the robot keeps having to do stuff.
Dimitri, cool. Yo, qualification. Qualification. Yo. Climb.
3, 2. Why are the human not doing this? 1, finish!
I already did.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for FRC Kickoff. Bye bye.